Today we're going to install the RC cubby mount for the Poly Director 2. You can find the cubby cutout template on our website. Noting where the studs are, choose the desired lens center line. Attach the template to the wall using tape, and make sure the template is level and centered left-right. Check the center line of the camera you're using and make sure it aligns with the center line on the wall. Time to get your saw out. Now we have our cutout for the back box. Let's take a look at the knockouts. We have knockouts on both sides, which are used with the included clamps. We also have cable and clamp knockouts on the top, as well as a large rectangular knockout on the bottom for the camera end module, as well as cable knockouts, depending on the sound control solution you're using. Finally, we have 2 side slot knockouts for our camera plate. Once you've removed the knockouts, insert the back box into the wall cutout. Insert the category cable into the top cable knockout. Now take the included retracted wall clamp assembly and insert toward the front of the knockout. Tighten the screw. Only 1 clamp on each side is required. Now let's integrate the RC7 camera end module. Attach the rack ears to each side using the first set of holes closest to the flange. Attach the adapter plate to the rack ears, making sure the crossbar of the adapter plate is on the bottom side of the CE module with the connections facing upward. Secure the bottom bezel onto the front of the back box. Then hang the top bezel and connect the 2 pieces together. Insert the hooks of the camera plate for the Director 2 through the bezel opening and into the slots on the bottom. Push to secure. Use a flathead screwdriver to slightly move out the tabs on each side past the notch. This will secure the camera plate. Connect the included cables to the Director 2. Then connect the cables to the camera end module. Make sure you connect the SCT Link category cable last. Using the included thumb screws, connect the Poly Director 2 to the camera plate. And now you have your completed installation of the RC cubby mount for the Poly Director 2.